Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up your weekly posting rhythm with Buffer Analytics step by step clearly. Open Buffer and log into your account. Navigate to the Analytics section in the left sidebar. Within the Analytics section, select the platform you want to analyze. Review the performance of your previous posts over the last week. Identify which posts received the highest engagement. Take note of the best times your audience interacted with your content. Return to the Overview tab and select the Content or Posts report. Click on a specific post to analyze its metrics in detail. Look for insights related to impressions, clicks, and engagements. Utilize this data to determine the most effective days and times for posting. Once you have gathered your insights, head to the Scheduling section. Decide how many times a week you want to post. Create a posting schedule that aligns with your audience's peak engagement times. Add posts to your buffer queue according to your new schedule. Ensure that you rotate types of content to keep your audience engaged. Regularly check back into your analytics to tweak your strategy as needed. Stay adaptable and open to change based on your analytics insights. Commit to revisiting your analytics weekly to adjust your posting rhythm accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.